Hey guys, welcome back to Antonio the Realtor. In today's video, I brought you all the way to Westchester, Illinois, where we're going to take a look at 1943 Mayfair Avenue. It is 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. The place is rehabbed. It's beautiful, right down the block from the fire department. So let's go take a look what this property looks like. All right, we're going to get this property tour started. So right when we walk in, bam, this is what you guys get to see. Really nice, really nice. Okay. We are 4 bedrooms, okay? 2 bathrooms, if I'm correct. Yeah, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, fully renovated. This is the living room. Take a look at these windows. Brand new windows. Those are climate guard windows. So really nice windows. And what I do like about this is that you look outside. Beautiful. Right down the block. Okay, that's Cermak Road down there. Okay, if you can see that, let's see. Guys, if you really like watching these property tours as much as I like doing them, do me a favor and subscribe really quickly. I'm trying to get to 10,000 by the end of the year. So if you can be part of that, it would really help me out. But hey, back to the video. If I can show you guys. That's Cermak Road down there. Right in the corner is the fire department. So not only are you living in an awesome house, but you have the fire department right down the block. Okay, nice living room. So let's do this. You walk in the house, obviously this is the kitchen, which we'll take a look at more in a second. You walk in, television's going over there if you're watching TV. Couches are gonna go right along the wall there. I don't mind a couch here, and I don't mind a couch there. That looks like that'll work for me. And then, you know, if you're looking that way, which is cool. I wouldn't want people being able to see me. So I would stick to one of the couches like right here, have blinds over there, and then I'm good, right? Let's take a look this way. Let's look at the kitchen. This is a really nice kitchen, and shout out to my realtor friend Iti Gupia. She's right there. I don't know if you guys can see her. Iti Gupia. She let me shoot the property today. So big shout out to her. Really nice lady. But you'll see her information at the end of the video. But as far as this place is concerned, it is a rehab, so let's take a look. New appliances, kitchen, microwave, refrigerator, General Electric. Let's look at the cabinets. I like the color of the cabinets. Black candles, and I guess that's my bag in there. And when you close it, there's those fancy cabinets that take their time closing. Can't go wrong with that. Okay. We have GFCI outlets, as you should. Okay, really nice. And if I come this way, I do enjoy this profile right here. I do enjoy that profile because it's nice. You get to look out the window while you're washing dishes. You know, this is what it looks like washing dishes, everyone. And you already know. There goes Antonio with his water. Nice deep sink, okay? Nice quartz, what is that, countertop. Looks good. There it is, and then we'll do this. Oh yeah, good water pressure. So you're washing dishes and then you're like, hey, get off my lawn, right? And then this is the rest of the peninsula. This is called a peninsula. Somebody corrected me in a video. It was so funny. Like, that's not an island, Antonio. That's a peninsula. And I was like, hey, you're right. Okay, look at this. We have a dishwasher. Good, nice and sturdy. I went into a house the other day and I tried opening the dishwasher and it shook. You do not want your dishwasher to shake when you open it. You want to be able to do this and it not move anywhere. That is a big one. Okay, that is a big one. And let's do this for a second here. Let's take a look to see what the what it looks like walking around this kitchen. Let's take a quick little look. See if I put that there. Let's see. Here I am in the kitchen. This is what it would look like waking up in the morning. I want to get some coffee. Let me come over here to my coffee pot. Coffee. I need some milk now. Let me get the milk. Oh, is that the freezer? Let me get the milk out of the refrigerator. Oh, it's the refrigerator. That's not the freezer. That's the freezer. Yeah, I'm a realtor, everybody. Thanks. Good night, everybody. Good night. Okay. Get the milk out, coffee. Yeah, you don't burn yourself because you put cold milk in. You are good. Let me go get me some waffles, frozen waffles. Let me stick them inside of the toaster. Bam, let me make some eggs. microwave some leftovers from last night, and hopefully have a complete breakfast. But there you go. There you go. So nice LED fixtures. They're starting to get really fancy with the fixtures that they're picking out here. Let's give this fixture its moment of glory here, because it deserves it. It's just really, really, really nice. There you go. Really, really nice. So before we get to the bedrooms, let's go this way and let's see what's going on. Okay, interesting. Okay, so living room, kitchen, past the kitchen, and now you have probably this dine-it area where you can put a table there. I would. I'm putting a table there. That's probably why there's beautiful fixtures there. And look at that again. Fancy. Let's see what this is. And guys, this is me in real time. I just started doing this home tour, and I purposely don't look at the house. I want to have like a natural reaction. So there's your closets. If I come over here, we have, a laundry room, okay? Here's your vent. There is your hot water, cold water. That's nice. That's nice. There is a light up there. We just didn't turn it on. And then over here, I bet you this is mechanicals. Yeah, here are your mechanicals, okay? Nice and hidden away, which is cool. Now we're gonna go this way into what I believe is a bedroom. Yeah, bedroom or office. You tell me. Bedroom or office, you tell me. Look, and there's my beautiful car. There you are. My stormtrooper. That's what I call it, the stormtrooper. We have a closet, everybody. Fantastic. So check this out. Air, closet, window, door, electrical outlet. By God, it's a bedroom. All right. Alrighty. Yeah, I would do office though. Like I would literally work from home in here. That's nice. So one bedroom, right? Let's go. Oh, and by the way, that door is leading out. We are now going to go into the other half of the house. We'll start off with this room right here. So remember, you walk in the door, living room, kitchen. Now here we are with another bedroom. This is a large size bedroom. You can put whatever size bed in here and you are going to be okay. I would recommend you put in a full-size bed or queen and you'll be good. Anything else that's longer is just going to take up more real estate. I get it, real estate. In the bedroom. Here is the closet, which works out nicely. And it's a deep closet, so yes. Okay, and then let's see really quick. I'm going to backtrack really quick. This property is priced at $425,000 in Westchester. $425,000. Okay, we're going to go down this hallway, but before we do, we're going to take a moment to appreciate this little closet that we got down there. That gives us the floors, give us an idea on video of how deep the closets are. I noticed. So yeah, we're going to come back here down this little hallway, and we are in another bedroom. Now, I think this is the primary bedroom, okay? Because number one, it's a long room, really nice. Long room, can lights, right? I'm gonna come this way, turn around, and then we have a couple of doors over there. The door that we came in through, a bathroom, and a closet. Take a look at the closet really quick. There is the closet. Okay, now let's take a look at the bathroom. So right when you walk in the bathroom, there's me, by the way. Hey, how you doing? I'm gonna turn on that light over there. Okay, so you come in the bathroom. Right when you come in, you're hit with this beautiful shower. Humongous shower. Look at that. Gorgeous. Nice selection on the tile. I do like it. I like the black and gray and then a white, of course, in the base combo. Really cool. But I do enjoy this. And check this out. They did give it the corner, the black corner, making everything very, very cohesive. You have a nice little cool towel, a hook right there, right? But that is that. Obviously the toilet. And then here is your vanity so that you could, Antonio, you could play with the sink, play with the water, good water pressure. Hey, how you doing? Okay. So let us go to the next bedroom, which is bedroom number 4, I believe. And guys, stick around to the end of the video because we are going to go in the yard. Okay, there's another bathroom that we just passed, but before we do that, I'm going to show you this bedroom. Nice size. These bedrooms are really big. You know, that other bedroom that was in the front, that to me, that's like an office, but this is a nice size bedroom. You can put a full-size bed in here all day and be okay. You put a twin size in here, you're good. You set it up the right way, you could do twin size. And then if you're a gamer, maybe you can throw your gaming system in the back over there. And then there, you know, the yard here, which we'll go in the yard in a moment. But here we are. Time to go to the bathroom here. Okay, here is the restroom. Okay, we have a tub. Thank you. Always like seeing tubs in houses. Keep the tubs alive. Oh, look at that little shower. Look at that. That's cute. I like the fact that they did that. That's nice. Because I think the purpose in here is to be in the tub. But if you had to, you do have a shower available. Okay. There is your sink. Do I dare? Of course I dare. Of course. Next. Good. Very, very good. Oh, look at those light fixtures too. Look at that. I like them. I like them. So now we're going to go to the yard. And we're going to go through the, let's see. Whoa, I almost got lost in here. Look at that. Okay. There's our beautiful kitchen again. Hey, kitchen. And we're going to go out to the yard, which is this way. Okay. Okay, out to the yard. Nice. You have your AC condenser. That's a big AC condenser. You know, good size house that needs a good size condenser. So we're back here in the yard. We have these 2 gigantic trees. What I do like about them is that they are far away from the house. I'm going to walk this way. I'm going to turn this way. And we are going to show off the back of the house, which looks really nice and modern, by the way. The fact that that brick is painted white. And then you have back here, the paneling is white, really nice. And I can appreciate the garden that we got going on right there too. It looks pretty cool. Guys, I really enjoyed this house in Westchester. I want to give a special shout out to Iti Gupta from Best US Realty. Thank you so much for letting me shoot the property. Her information will be on the screen right now. And guys, if you want to try to buy or sell a house in the Chicagoland area, do me a favor. You can also find my information down below. But to see more videos, you can click on the left or you can click on the right. If not, subscribe and make sure that you click my face in the middle. But I will see you guys in the next video.